Hi! In front of me is REALME GT2 and today I would like to show you how you can change font size on this REALME. You need to begin by opening settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and tap on display and brightness. Following that, scroll down, tap on font and swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out preview above. When you're ready to save your changes, click on apply. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!